Welcome. Today we're discussing a groundbreaking gene editing advancement that could revolutionize vision loss treatment. Let's dive in. Transition sound effect, whoosh. Huida Gene Therapeutics HG202 is a groundbreaking gene editing innovation targeting vision loss. Exciting, right? HG Precise technology revolutionizes gene editing with unmatched precision. This method targets and corrects genetic mutations accurately, paving the way for new treatments and cures for vision loss. Pause for emphasis. The BRIGHT trial will evaluate HG202's effectiveness in patients with NAMD. Hui Yang highlighted their AI technology's role in creating a high-fidelity Cas13y protein. Gene editing technologies have evolved rapidly over the past decade. These innovations offer great promise for treating genetic disorders. However, experts stress the importance of addressing ethical and safety concerns. As we approach this new era in medicine, it's crucial to keep discussing safety, ethics, and the potential impacts. Will HG202 lead to a future where vision loss becomes a thing of the past? Only time will truly tell. That's it for today's update. If you're excited about these advancements, subscribe to your show name for more insights into health and technology. Until next time, stay curious and informed.